welcome back to Vikashinitoylover, and today I'm going to be making this cute calendar. So let's get into the video, and before that, make sure you like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified on every single video that I post. So let's get started. A A4 sheet like this, and if you want, you can use chart paper or any kind of color paper. Now you want to do is take the centers of each one side and fold it properly so it looks like this. Next thing you will be wanting to do is folding these two sides equally. As you see, you just take it something like this. Make sure both of the sides are equal. Yes, so you need to make sure to make the sides equal, and then what you're going to do is you're going to check if it, just take your glue, so next you will be needing something like this, a small cutout A4 sheet, and you'll be folding it like this easily. And then what you're going to be doing is turn it over and fold it in the middle of the line, as you can see. And if you want to, you can make your pocket smaller. That's what I'm going to do. You don't need to equally just do it. I'm doing mine a little bit, this a little smaller, because I think it's just big. Look at that. You have a little pocket right here, which we're going to be using. And then apply it onto your piece of paper and just fold it back in. Like that. You're going to be making 3 of these. So since now, after making these 3 things, now for the main part. Any kind of paper, and draw whatever you would like. Well, okay, so I finally cut out all the stars. They're super cute. I love these. Take your calendar, take the 3 pockets that you made, and then, okay, and also spread it around because, so then it will be, and put it right here. Oh, it's so small and tiny. I love it. Okay. Or else the year will just fall off every day. And you can put the little year on top. I mean, I think you can leave the hole on the bottom. Yeah, leave the hole on the bottom. Look at that. You can do that. we decorated our calendar super cute. Okay guys, so the hard bit is that you need to make the month, days, and date. So there we go. We got January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Put mine in here. All in the same size. In here. Ta-da! Whoa! Okay, so now we're going to be painting the background of this to purple. So. So you can also change it like this. So you change the date and month by just taking your number or whatever it is and putting it in the back side. And you got a new date. You can also do the same thing with the months. And the same thing with the weeks. We'll just change it. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this craft. Craft was amazing, so fun to do it on lockdown, especially when school, after our online classes are over, and then you're just like, oh my gosh, what should I do now? You can make one of these. They're so cute. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Hello, my painting is only now.
What you doing, Mithun?
I'm painting as me.
You painting like Akka?
Yes, a doggy I'm painting.
You're painting doggy?
Yes.
Okay.